Now we are gonna make a countdown timer application. User will type a number, let's say 5. The timer will start from that number, counts down and stops after 1. Now logically, we can divide this application into two parts. First, print the numbers starting from the user given number all the way down to 1. And that's simple. We can use for loop with range function for that. However, the second part will be a little challenging, and that is to introduce a delay of 1 second before printing the next number. And we know for loop will print all the numbers instantly, so we need to figure this out. Anyways, let's start with the first part. So ask the user to enter a number, typecast it to integer, and store in a variable seconds. Now suppose user gave 30. So we will need to run a loop 30 times, starting from 30 all the way down to 1. So for sec in, now we need a range that will start from the user given number seconds and stop at 0, excluding 0. And the step between the numbers will be -1 to decrement the numbers. And within loop body, simply print the sec. Okay, now if we press run, enter 5, you can see all the numbers are printed instantly. Now let's go ahead and add a delay of 1 second before printing each number. Okay, down here we will make our program sleep for 1 second. Python provides us a class called time, and that class has a function sleep. Now what is a class? That's an advanced topic, we can see that later. For now, just think of a class as a piece of pre-written code that provides us a bunch of ready-made functions. Okay, this sleep function takes seconds as an argument. In our case, it will be 1 second. We want our program to sleep for 1 second each time. Now, as soon as the program will reach this line, it will sleep for 1 second, then wake up and continue the next iteration. Print a number, sleep again, and this will happen for each iteration. Well, we are getting a red warning here. It says unresolved reference time. Actually, we cannot use a class directly in our program. First, we need to import it. So on the top, write import time. Now you can see the error is gone. That's all we need to do. Let's run our program. Let's say I give 5 and there comes 4, 3, 2, 1 and exit. Perfect. So whenever you want your program to sleep or wait, import the time class and use its sleep method or function.